management to log in early to the college. I feel I act like a mother more here than at home because I spend a lot of time with my own students here. I never even touch my children's books or go through it for longer time.
Okay.
So I am more partial there, I feel.
Quite a lot of sacrifices, but not one specific. So a lot I would take back, but especially freedom, and that's the main. I would. In terms of when I see a male gender, really jealous.
Okay.
But I don't know. The only part is where people are not ready to talk about it.
I would like my big chicken piece back from my brother. It's actually not because I was a woman or something, it's because I was the elder one. So elder one sacrificed for the younger one, so I want that back. You get privileges and you tend to become a little more stronger with the problems that you face. You tend to get stronger in your character and in your personality. So I think that's like the best part of it. You get to learn things by yourself.
I've never thought about it as a female-dominated industry or a male-dominated industry. What I felt when I chose teaching, I was working in a company and I decided to quit that and then teach. So I never thought of it to be a girl's thing to do. If there are no boys' things to do, there shouldn't be a girl's thing to do as well.
No, I mean, in terms of working, I feel that everybody is similar in terms of work. We are humans first and all, and I feel that there should be no separate day as Women's Day or Men's Day. Every day is Women's Day, every day is Men's Day, every day is Human Day and all like that. But since we have to honor one of the genders, so to speak, I mean, definitely we should celebrate every day as Women's Day, I feel. So no difficulties at work and everything. It's been a great environment.
As my mother gave birth to me, female faculties gave birth to St. Claret.
They'll not agree to whatever the... even if the fault is on their side, they'll not agree. In that, they are very tactical.
Yeah.
Women,
Yes.
okay. Tactical.
They're cute and dumb at the same time.
Worldwide.
Wonderful. Wonder or win.
Wonderful.
Winner, okay.
This Women's Day, invest in women and accelerate progress. Happy Women's Day to all the phenomenal women out there.
From Team Emperor. Thank you for everyone who has made this video possible.
Thank you.